Hi guys, welcome to another amazing episode with EnnyGeleCraft, and on today's tutorial I will be teaching you how to perfectly tie a bridal round gele. So this is not like the regular bridal round you see on the street of YouTube. This is the best and the most complete bridal round detailed tutorial you'd ever come across. So how do we get started? You need to get your gele and you need to get edge control. So the first thing first, you lay down your edges. And once you're done laying down your edges, you want to start basing your gele. So our formula for this style is going to be 45-55. Get your measurement. How do you measure? You simply fold your gele in two halves, which is 50-50, and then on the left hand side you do your measurement by using your middle and index finger. So you open up your middle and index finger. Whenever you place it on your fabric from point 50, which is the middle of the fabric, it is 5 centimeters. So you're taking it twice, and then you're going to have 45-55. To know more about this measuring trick, kindly watch my previous videos on this channel. So this is me laying down my gele on my model. I make sure my gele is well laid on my model, and I take my pleats one by one accordingly. So once you're done laying the first part of the ear, because this is going to be a V-shaped routine, you're going to open up at the back. So once you open up at the back, you're going to be collecting your pleats on both sides. So you're going to be having the longer end and the shorter end. The shorter end while you're standing at the back is going to be on your right, correct? And then the longer hand will be on your left. So the shorter end will be going on top of the longer end, and you're going to be crossing it at the back on top of each other. Then after that, you want to make sure the back is well tidied up. So once you're done with that, you bring your shorter end to the front, and then you're going to be taking your shorter end all the way. So you're going to be collecting your pleats. So the same numbers of pleats you picked from the beginning is the same numbers of pleats you are going to be continuing with. I always ensure my pleats are neat and I pick my pleats very well. So make sure you take your time. Don't rush it. Always take your time whenever you're tying gele. So after you pick your pleats, you're going to be basing on the exposed part of the ear, which is the other side of the ear, and then you'll be forming your V-shaped routine. So it's going to be crossing the first lay down fabric, and this is the second one. Make sure it's on top of the first lay down fabric, and then pick your pleats, arrange your pleat neatly. There's always something about a neat gele is always finer. So make sure you pick your pleats accurately. Don't add to them. Okay, for this side, which is the other side, if you want more pleats, you can feel free to add to it, but regularly you don't need to add to your pleat. Alright, so keep pleating, and once you get to the crossing part, the end of the other fabric where the pleat stop, you're going to be pinning down. So take your pin and pin down. So guys, this is the next step. First thing first, you make sure you're covering each side of the gele, which is the gele is sitting properly on top of the ear of your model, covering the ear, if not total but almost total. Alright, and you'll be taking 4 pleats. You're taking 4 pleats and then you're going all the way. So take your 4 pleats and cross. Then you take the other remaining fabric and you swing it over. So pick your 4 pleats and then you start arranging your pleats. So you're taking your 4 till you get to the back of the model, and then you're going to be pinning it down. Ensure you take your time while you're tying gele and you don't have to rush. So guys, ensure you pin down at the back. It's always very important you pin down at the back. Once you're done taking your 4 all the way, ensure you pin down and then come back to the front. So once you're back at the front, then you want to start building your crown. Alright guys, so this is me starting to build my crown. How do I do that? You need to take one pleat after the other. So I'm going to take 2 pleats first, and then I'm going to show you a faster technique of how to pick your crown one by one. So pick the first pleat and then you're going to be picking the second one. So whilst you're picking them, make sure it's not too small and make sure it's not too big. Always ensure your pleats are neat. Always ensure you take your time. Take your time to tie your gele. Like I always say, you don't have to rush. So this is me showing you the technique. This is how to pick your pleats faster. So you can pick from top to bottom, and you can also do vice versa. Ensure you arrange your pleats correctly. Ensure you lay them on top of each other and then you follow all through. So guys, you don't have to add any pleats to the one you picked from the beginning at the middle. Always ensure you carry along all the pleats you picked. Do not add to it and do not subtract from it. Perfection comes only when you practice, and you have to keep practicing to be perfect in whatever you do. So always ensure you practice even after you watch a tutorial. It's very important. So the more you perfect, the more stronger your hand will be when it comes to tying gele. So tying gele is not really hard. Get better when you practice. Alright, so keep following your pleats, keep arranging your pleats. Arrange your pleat, and then as you go on towards the other side of the ear, you're going to be pushing up. So this is how you move your hand. So if you want your gele really big, you push up. If you want it small, you don't need to push up at all. Just if you want it simple, keep it simple. You don't have to push up. Just ensure that your pleats are well laid and then your gele is standing firm. So this is me doing the finish part. So I'm going to arrange my pleats till I get to the back of the ear. So come with me. So guys, at this point, ensure that you are following all your pleats. Don't hide any pleats. Whenever you hide the pleats, it will still come back. You come back to the front and know that okay, this pleat is missing, and it would somehow show. So you want perfection. If you're driving towards perfection, always follow each step accordingly. Don't hide your pleats. Don't do the to the answer like my Yoruba people will say. Alright guys, keep going. Pick your pleats until you are done. So once you get to the middle of the back, this is when you twist in and then you pin down. So I'll be showing you how I twist in now in a bit. So twists, hold, use one hand to hold and then you twist. Make sure you twist 180, not 360. 180 twist, and then you're going to be pinning it to the base. And then back in front, you are going to be arranging your pleats. So finishing is very important. Do not leave out the role of finishing. The finishing is the only thing that will make your work look perfect. Gradually set your pleat, gradually arrange your pleat, ensure that one is sitting on top of each other, ensure that your gele is perfect the way you want it to be. So this is a bridal round gele and it's looking bridal already, even without the model wearing her outfit yet. So this is me trying to arrange my pleats and making sure that everything is set, and then we're good to go. So last thing I'm going to do, I will be shifting to the back, but before then I'm going to pack the back of my gele and ensure that the back is neatly packed and also looking good as well. So guys, this is the finished look. This is our final look for our beautiful round gele, and I'm sure you've learned a lot from this video. If you love this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also follow this channel for more videos like this. My name is Eniola. See you in EnnyGeleCraft. I'll see you in my next video.